have those types of issues, but we do have a first alert weather day really for Saturday and for Sunday as well. So we are issuing those ahead of this winter storm for New Year's. And again, the setup right now with the latest data that we're all looking at is trending towards a more southerly solution, which means that the actual center of the storm trending farther to the south and a little bit slower, which is allowing some colder air to come in on the northern side of this system, bringing more snow and ice rather than rain and an icy mix. So right now it's looking like some hazardous travel possible over the weekend. Again, the low down to the south, parts of the area under an icy mix. Other parts of the area could be looking at some heavy periods of snow heading through Saturday and into Sunday. So big travel weekend. Today, not much was going on, just a few flurries earlier this morning, but mostly cloudy this afternoon and tomorrow. It's not until Saturday, really late morning into the early afternoon, where we really have to be watching for snow to move in to the north, an icy mix to the south, and that heavier precipitation, snow and ice, could move in by the evening commute on Saturday, what you could call the evening commute, around 4, 5, 6 o'clock. And then on Sunday, still some snow showers sticking around, with the potential for a couple of lake effect snow showers into the afternoon on Sunday. So still could be looking at some icy roadways there as well. And depending on how all this plays out, temperatures may drop into the single digits by early Monday. So we could be looking at some icy roadways early to start off our first work week of 2022. Right now, nothing's going on though. No precipitation here to be seen. Temperatures actually sitting at or just above that freezing mark right now, with a light breeze coming out of the east. But notice one thing that you need for a winter storm is the cold air. That's here. It's just not here in Michiana just yet. 2 below in Fargo, North Dakota right now. So the cold air is there. We're going to tap into that as we head into this weekend. But we've got to zoom out here and show you this. This right here, that is an area of winter storm watches that have expanded through the morning and into the afternoon, including western portions of Illinois. So I expect these to be extended through parts of Michiana into central Michigan, including the Chicago area there and southern Wisconsin as well. That likely happens over the next couple of hours as new data works its way on in. And some of that data is suggesting, again, a very tight gradient between a rain snow and a heavy snow. You can see those colors up here. Heavy snow showing up on models right along the lakeshore, with a lighter dusting of snow and some ice possible down to the south. So what does that look like here on Future Track? Colder air moves in just out ahead of this storm Saturday at 10 o'clock. Notice nothing's going on just yet, but here comes the precipitation. Rain snow line starts up a little bit farther to the north, but as that cold air gets drawn into this system, the rain snow line starts to settle down to the south, creating some heavier snow bands up to the north. And then everyone switches over to some snow, with those snow showers lingering as we head into the day on Sunday. Lake effect could also take effect there as well. That's the first call for our snowfall map. Again, south of that red line, that is the area that we have to be watching for very much uncertainty with respect to the icing potential there, and the snow totals could be lower than what you see, could be higher than what you see. So again, that stuff could still be changing, those fine details, over the next couple days. But Melissa, we do have first alert weather days Saturday and Sunday due to that winter storm that's moving our way.
All right, we'll keep those updates coming. Thanks, Matt. Stay with us. We'll be right back.